Hey everyone, Suzanne Tulene here, brand clarity expert, author, and speaker, and I also train speaker brands. I have a workshop coming up called Be a Better Speaker, and the best way for me to tell you about it is really to show you some of the graduates' testimonials and what they actually accomplished from that workshop. So here you go.
If you're thinking about taking it, think no more. It definitely is a game changer if you want to use speaking as a self-promotion strategy.
And I am here to tell you, I am as good as I am because of Suzanne. What is in this book has been incredible, powerful. It challenged me, even though I've been on stage and I've been in front of big groups, as many as 1,500 people. I can tell you what I've learned here today helped me change my mindset, my belief system, how I'm going to present, and just made me a better speaker, trainer, and coach.
I had the opportunity to attend Suzanne Tuline's Be a Better Speaker workshop, and it was fantastic. When I came in, I had this mental block about what it meant to be a speaker. And as a longtime trainer and facilitator, I wanted to be able to put those pieces into practice. And the beauty of Suzanne's training is that she teaches you how to be a trainer-minded speaker. And that literally was the difference for me.
What Suzanne taught me was how to control the environment, how to control the flow, coherence, being a word nerd. She just stimulated my mind. I am thrilled to not only go out and maximize my opportunities to speak, but to maximize my opportunity to make an impact and make money. It's something I was born to do.
I have a lot of experience speaking, but I need to come up with a much better strategy for engaging the audience. First, after learning this, I already have had several opportunities to be in front of audiences for a short period of time. And I always now start by asking them a question, getting a response, and then getting them to affirmatively reply. And it's been really good. I get a lot of smiles. I get a lot of engagement from the audience. So I would tell others, even if you're an experienced speaker, there are ways that you can really be more successful in engaging your audience by sitting down in Suzanne's workshop and learning how to be a better speaker.
Hey Suzanne, it's Melissa here, and I am so excited. I did a talk at a local fitness center and it went so amazing. I had around 40 people. And I definitely enlisted, equipped, and engaged the audience. And I used all the steps from your program and made sure I plugged them in throughout my program as I was creating it. So not only was it a great success, I got amazing feedback. I also have been invited to speak for 2 other organizations as a result of that talk. And I got great positive feedback from many of the participants. And they're looking forward to learning more about what it is I have to offer in my health, wellness, and life satisfaction coaching. So thank you so much. I am so glad I took your Be a Better Speaker workshop back in March, and I've been able to build on that and create more and more confidence in my speaking, and is definitely elevated. So thank you, Suzanne. It was brilliant. I appreciate it, and I just wanted you to know that I have implemented everything you taught me and more.